Okay. Um, it's about my Gert. You know Gert?
Yeah, I know that. In Bahasa is mah.
Betul.
Aha.
That's
Is it quite
um.
hard? Your GERD,
Pardon, Miss?
your GERD is hard or medium or what?
Yeah, it's so hard.
Ah,
Uh,
okay.
it it started from when I was elementary school.
Oh my goodness, from elementary school?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
What is the
when the
cause?
Gert is because I love to eat spicy food, and also I always late to have lunch.
Ah, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay then. So please, if you have that kind of illness, please don't do that again because that's so hard.
Yeah, this is very dangerous for me too.
And then did you hospitalize last
No,
illness?
no, I'm
No.
just stay at home because I'm so scared to go to hospital because it's about the
Uh-huh.
COVID-19. So I have a trust issue about the hospital. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay. So what did you do at home?
I take a medicine, and also boil some water, and then I drink a hot water.
Oh, I see. By the way, do you live alone?
No, I living with my moms, and also with my sister, and also my brother.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's never mind. Yeah, because
Yeah.
if you are alone,
But,
that's so scary. Uh-huh.
yeah, I'm so grateful that my family taking care of me.
Okay then. Okay, Miss Lydia. I will go to
Thank
Miss Indah, yeah. Miss Indah, good evening, Miss Indah.
Good evening, Miss. How are you
How are
today?
you? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Very good. Thank you, Miss.
Very good. Have you been at home?
Yes. Not yet. Actually, I have a trip with my friends. Now at
Wow.
Serang.
Oh, you are in Sarang. But you
Yes,
have
yeah.
been in Sarang or you are on the way?
Uh, Already on in Serang.
Already on in
Itulah.
Sarang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
will you stay there?
Yes, for one stay night.
Oh, one night, yeah. Okay. So is it because of your job? I meant, is there any job that you do in Sarang?
No, just for holiday.
Oh my God, holiday.
Yes,
Okay,
because
okay, yeah.
I getting bored, yeah, in my daily routinity, so I
Uh-huh.
decide to, yeah, getting some new refreshing lah.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. And you choose
Yes,
Sarang. By the way,
yes.
what is the place that you will visit?
Serang Cottage, ya, ini
Sarang
apa,
Cottage.
the cottage near beach, ya, itulah.
Oh yeah.
Susah, Miss.
Okay, okay, okay. I see, I
Iya,
see.
anyar.
Okay. So this is,
Oke,
oh
Miss.
yeah, Anyer, yeah. We
Ya,
can.
yes.
Okay, I see. Okay, Miss Indah, thank you. I will go to Miss Amalia. Miss Amalia, good evening.
Hi, good evening, Miss Sinta.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello. I'm great, thank you. How about you,
Ah,
Miss?
I'm great too. Thank you so much. Have you been at home?
Yes, on 7 p.m.
You have been at home at 7 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, so what about your weekend? Where will you go?
Still don't have plan, Miss.
You don't have a plan, you just stay at home maybe.
Yeah.
I see.
Lazy day maybe.
Lazy day, yeah, because from Monday up to Friday, You just
Yeah.
work and you have been tired enough, and for weekend
Yes.
you just want to take a rest at home.
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right then.
Okay.
So by the way, Miss
Okay.
Amalia, where do you work? I forgot a little bit.
I'm working at Sanyo Group.
Sanyo Group. Oh, I
Yes,
see.
Sanyo Group in Indonesia, PT SECM Tech Indonesia in Kuningan, Jakarta, Miss.
Yes. All right then. So what is your position?
I'm HR and GA.
Oh, HR. Oh,
Yeah,
Miss
HR
Indah
and
also
GA.
HR. So two
Oh
of
yeah.
you HR. Okay then. Wow. Okay, how long have you been an HR?
Since maybe 8 years ago.
8 years ago.
Yes.
8 years ago. Wow, quite long, yeah.
So tired.
Okay.
Go and
Tired?
back to Pamulang and Kuningan.
Oh, I see. So you live in Pamulang?
Yes, I'm living in Pamulang, Tangerang Selatan.
Oh, I know Pamulang, Miss Amalia. Pamulang
Oh?
is near Cipete, right?
Oh, no. Pamulang is
Oh, salah.
Cipete
Sorry.
is
Oh, yeah. Serua.
yes, Serua, nearby
Serua, yeah.
Yes.
Aha.
You ever been
Okay.
Serua, Miss?
Yes, sure. Because I have ever been to Pamulang University, and then also
Yes, I see.
Serua, and then also Ciputat.
Yes.
So I can imagine that you go to your office from
Yes.
Pamulang to Sudirman, ya?
Yeah.
My
Kuningan.
goodness. Oh,
The
Kuningan.
location, Kuningan.
My God. But you drive a car?
Sometimes motorbike with my husband, sometimes driving, sometimes by train.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, Miss Amalia, that's a struggle of the work, yeah? That's so good.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Is it 8 years that you come and back from Pamulang to Kuningan?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Quite good. Okay. Okay, Miss Amalia, thank you. So,
Yeah,
Miss
thank you.
Amalia, Miss Indah, and Miss Lydia, we are going to go with the first material is about guessing. So I want you to guess what is the thing with me now, but I don't want you to guess what is it directly. I want you to create one question, and then after that, I will answer you by using yes or no. So my answer only yes or no. So your question should be in yes no question, which is the first question should be by auxiliary. Do you get it? Example, the example of the question is, Miss Sinta, is the thing big? And then I will answer you, yes. Example like that. Okay, so you need to collect all of the information related to the question, and then my answer on the yes or no. And after that, when you have quiet enough for the collection of the answer, after that you can guess what is the thing with me. Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the part. Can you give me more example,
Yeah.
please? Thank you.
Yeah. So you should ask me question with a yes no question. Yes no questions means that question only started by auxiliary. Auxiliary are is, am, are, do, does, did, was, were. So without double edged question. Okay. example again. Is the color of the thing black? Is the thing a liquid? Is the thing soft? Is the thing small? Like that. Okay. Do you understand this, Lydia?
Miss,
About what you
sorry.
think, right?
Yes.
Sorry, I want to interrupt you.
Yes.
For the question, bebas apa nih, Miss?
Free.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Free.
free question, Miss.
Free question, but you
free
just
question.
ask me with
Yes.
yeah,
I got
yeah.
your point. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you, Miss.
no question, yeah. Okay.
Okay, maybe it will be started by Miss Indah or Miss Amelia first.
Okay.
Is
Then.
it okay, Miss?
It's okay.
Why should me?
Remember, yeah,
Ah,
everybody can
I'm sorry,
start it.
because I
Okay.
still point about this question.
Miss
Okay,
Lydia,
okay.
you need to drink water, I think.
Okay, okay. I
Maybe you
will
need
do
to drink
that.
water, yeah, in order to you can fresh your mind.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Raffo, hello, good evening. Are you there, Mr. Raffo? I guess that you are closing the gap. Okay. Hello, Mr. Fikri. Have you got the point? What should you do? Mr. Fikri? Hello? Hello? Yeah, Mr. Raffo. Do you get what the point?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, because we have already done this in the last class, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about you, Mr. Fikri? Have you got it, Mr. Fikri? Oh, I guess that this Mr. Fikri is go somewhere. Miss Amalia, have you understood about what is the instruction?
A little, Miss.
A little, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with this lah ya.
Auxiliary.
Mr. Fikri,
Sorry,
Yeah?
Miss. Auxiliary. Start with the question is, are, ya.
ya, auxiliary itu kata bantu artinya. Jadi
Oh.
dia ada is, am, are, do, does, was, were,
Oh,
can,
okay.
must, may, should. Ada 24 kalau nggak salah.
Oh yeah, okay. I understand.
Okay, yeah. So Miss Sinta will only answer you by yes. Oh no. Oh yes. Like that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Fikri, have you understood about what we are going to do now? What happened with your voice? Okay, because Miss Inda understood, or the sound is lost. Miss Inda, would you mind to start first, please?
I will try. Okay. Is your hobby is painting, Miss?
No. Don't ask me about myself, but you should ask me about the things that I keep in my site. I have a thing in here, and you should ask me the thing that over here.
The thing.
That thing.
The thing. Yes, it's quite difficult, yeah.
Yeah,
The thing is
you will know what that.
difficult.
Oh, don't worry. Maybe I will ask Mr. Raffo first, yeah, because Mr. Raffo already done this this game from the last class with me.
Okay.
Okay.
Noted.
Okay, Mr. Mr. Rifo. Mr. Rifo, would
Yes,
you
ma'am.
like to go first, please?
Is it a solid thing or liquid?
I mean,
Is it solid thing?
This is a solid thing. So solid. Kok Miss Indah jawabnya gitu ya? Harusnya yes atau no ya? Oh, tapi pertanyaannya or sih ya. Oke. That's solid. Thank you. Mr. Fikri?
hello, Miss. Still can
That's good.
you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I guess the answer is yes or no, right, Miss? Yeah.
Yeah. The
Uh,
question is yes or no. Yes or no question.
But not about you, right? Not about you, or not,
Not
Miss,
about
or
me.
not about Miss.
About the things over there.
Where?
Here, I
In-
cannot show you because you need to guess that.
Oh, yeah.
So everybody, the first question is from Mr. Raffo. Mr. Raffo said that is it liquid or what is that just now? A solid. And then
Solid.
my answer is solid.
Okay. Is that something that we wear? We wear.
We
something that
wear.
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, Mr. Fikri, do you know what is the difference between use and wear? What is that?
Use and wear. No, I'm not. I'm not.
You don't
I'm
know.
not. I don't know.
Use is something that we use. Wear is something that we wear. And the thing is
Oh.
nempel. Nempel di
Yeah.
tubuh kita ya. Kalau
Yeah,
use
what
tidak
I mean is
nempel di
wear.
tubuh kita. Wear
What
ya.
I mean, solid. The first is solid, like it's not liquid. So I assume is that something that we wear?
No.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Indah, Miss Lydia, okay.
Is it paper?
Sorry?
Is it paper? Paper?
Is it paper? No. Miss Amalia?
Is it a big or small, Miss?
Oh iya ya, Miss Indah harusnya tidak bisa ditanya dengan or. Ya, harusnya you to the point sama yang itu ya. Oke, kita kesepakatan terbaru kita. You may not ask me about or because according to the rules, I should answer yes or no.
Oh, okay.
Right? Aha.
Is it big?
Nah, big or not, yeah. I think yes.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Amalia.
The answer is or Miss?
Sorry?
My question is it a big?
Yes, this is big because that
Yes.
question already asked by Miss Indah.
Oh. Another question ya?
Yeah, can you ask me another question, please?
Is it smell?
Smell. No, this is not smell.
Not smell.
Yeah, Miss Lydia again.
Is it have a screen?
Screen. No,
What is that?
I don't know. Mr. Raffle.
Is it cosmetic?
Cosmetic. Wow, is it cosmetic or not? Yeah. No. Mr. Fikri. Your voice still unmute.
Okay. Is the
Yeah.
shape of the good is round?
Around. No. No.
No.
This is not round.
Hmm.
Miss Indah, please.
Is it an office?
Sorry.
Is it an office?
An office? What do you mean?
Mm-mm. You're behind.
My behind?
Mm-mm. Apa? Yeah, place. Yeah.
An office? No,
Mm-mm.
no.
Oh no. Okay.
It's not an office.
Okay.
This is okay. Yeah, who else?
Miss.
Yeah.
Is it can bring to anywhere?
Yeah, we can bring it to anywhere. We can bring everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Is
Yeah.
Is it hand sanitizer?
No, that's not hand sanitizer.
I think it is mirror.
No. Okay, everybody, because Miss Lydia and Mr. Fikri has answered it, so you can answer. No mirror, no hand sanitizer, or what do you think? So let's go with the answer. Let's go with the answer. What do you think, Miss Indah?
Sorry, Miss. Pardon.
You can answer directly. You can answer directly. What is the
Mm-mm.
thing that in near me?
Oh, are the earphones of Samsung brand?
No,
Okay. No. Thank you.
no. You're welcome, Mr. Raffle.
Brush maybe.
Brush? No. Miss Tamalia?
Pen maybe, Miss. Pen.
And no, wrong. So everybody, because nobody can answer that, so nobody can get the score from me. And the thing is, tang 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 tang. What?
Comb.
This is comb, everybody.
Comb.
So
Yes.
when you want to comb your hair, you can use this. Okay. Okay then. So thank you for guessing. Now I want to go to the next topic. Wait a moment. The next topic is about wait. Here we go with that. High school dropout. This is our topic for today. We are going to talk about high school dropout. Let's go with the first question. Number one, why do students drop out of school? I go to Miss Lydia first. Miss Lydia, what is your opinion about that? Number one, why students drop out from her school?
I think that is it because the student do something wrong at the school, like bullying or something like that. Criminal things. Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Mr. Fikri?
I think most of, especially in Indonesia, why student drop out because of first is about the cost of the high school, and number two, I think some problem with family. For example, I know I ever going to some village in Indonesia that some girl is already married in high school and the parent forced them to marry and drop out of school. I think some of them it still happen in small village in Indonesia.
Oh,
What
okay.
I live in that environment lah ya Mas, ya Miss Hansen.
All right then. All right. Okay. How about you, Miss Indah? Why do students drop out of school?
Have a job?
Drop out. Drop
Yeah,
out.
drop out because they cannot apa ya, daytime management is not good. I mean, so
The time management is not good.
yeah, because of that, they usually bolos tuh apa, Miss?
Bolos.
Iya,
Bolos
tuh
berarti dia tidak sekolah.
iya,
Berarti
itu
dia
madol
absent.
ya. Ya,
Madol.
absent ya.
Yeah,
Because
absent.
they so many have absent ya kan in the school, so they cannot get the minimum minimum score of minimum ya kan, because of it they drop off.
Okay.
I think like that lah. Yeah.
Siap. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
How about you? Yeah, you're welcome. How about you, Miss Amalia? What do you think? Why students drop out from the school?
The student drop out from the school. The reason is a financial matter from their parent, maybe. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I see. That's it.
And maybe they don't have a lot of money to continue education for their children. Maybe like that.
Yeah, that's also happened. All right. How about you, Miss Raffle?
I think because of breaking the school's rule.
Okay.
Yeah, I think there is the most cause that we can found.
All right then. So we go to the second question. How does dropping out of school affect personal, local, and national economics? Miss Lydia.
I think it's okay. The most affected by the economic is they can have a stable job in the future, and then also berbaur. What is that, Miss?
Berbaur, bergaul, bersosialisasi.
Yes, something like that.
Socialize.
Yeah, they can socialize. So I think that another people thinks they can have a bright future. It's like that. That's all, Miss.
That's all right then. I go to Mr. Fikri. How does dropping out of school affect personal, local, and national economics?
For personal, I think if you drop out, you probably will socialize with in street, and so life become a punk people, and I think it's not really good, and it's not your time to terjun to street. I think that will affect bad for in the future. In the long term, it will be affect your attitude and your thinking skill is not very nice if we compare to people that not drop out in high school. For the local, I think for the local, it's gonna become difficult for local if the city, the people to get investing in the city, because people is has low education and low skill, and probably if some perusahaan invest, some company invest in that city, you gonna be not gonna get in management, you're gonna become blue collar workers. I think that's not really nice in the local. And for national, I think we can see a country like Japan, Singapore in Asia that has high school percentage that's really high, almost 100% that children in Singapore and Japan going to high school and finish high school. And we can see the economic is good, and because people have skill that needed to run the economy. And if consider low high school, for example, just finished in junior high school, so probably the skill is not enough to run high technology economy. I think that's the effect in national scale.
Okay. Okay, so then, Mr. Fikri, so how about this situation? What is your opinion about someone who hasn't finished their education, but they can be success? What is your opinion about that?
I think that's yes, probably we can see, for example, in Indonesia, we know Susi Pujastuti. She is from she graduate in junior high school, but
Yes.
It's rare case. It's a rare case, and because we see Susi Pujastuti has access that his father is entrepreneur too, and for example, they have some advantage in their family. I think but it's rare case to find people who just in junior high school and or not finish SD. It's rare case to become successful. I think that it's rare case. Yes, some people probably success, but how percentage? I think it's not more than 5%. I think.
Okay, all right then. I see. I get it. Okay, thank you. I go to Miss Amalia. So, Miss Amalia, number 2, how does dropping out of school affect personal, local, and national economics?
For personal effect, dropout is a lot of time, banyak waktu terbuang apa, Miss?
A lot of time spending.
A lot of time standing.
Yeah. Just spend a lot of time.
Terus
and then
bad work quality, bad work quality, and a lot of unemployed in the country ya. Jadi banyak pengangguran. Apa tuh, Miss?
Pengangguran is jobless.
Oh, jobless ya.
Yeah, jobless. There are a lot of jobless in the country.
A lot of jobless in the country.
Okay. And then? How about local?
The local is mean. What is mean the local, ya, Miss?
Local is mean that in that region.
Region. Maybe a lot. Because of the karena tidak ada penghasilan, jadi karena tidak adanya penghasilan akan menimbulkan kriminal gitu, Miss, jadinya ya?
Oh yeah, that's right. because there is no income,
Yeah.
so
Uh-huh.
the person will do some crime, and they
Yeah.
will be a criminal.
Yeah. That's mean.
Okay, yep, understand.
Yeah.
How about national economic?
National economic. Global apa ya, pendapatannya income pendapatannya rendah gitu, Miss. Apa kemampuan
Low
daya
income.
belinya low income dan daya beli masyarakat penduduknya rendah.
Okay, so that's the effect, yeah.
Ini bahasa ekonomi ya, saya kurang paham nih, sorry.
Ya itu juga bahasa ekonomi itu tadi barusan. Saya juga agak-agak ngerti banget sih saya. Saya juga nggak ngerti
Seperti-
ekonomi sih, nggak apa-apa ya.
Ya,
Okay, so, that's good.
seperti itu deh.
I-
Miss.
Yeah, I can get your point, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, I go to Miss Indah. What about you? How does dropping out of school affect personal, local, and national economic?
For
Aduh.
the person, for the personal, it makes someone someone who drop out feels less confident.
Uh-huh.
Because of that, he or she will less able to compete.
Compete.
Compete benar ya, Mas?
Ya,
Berkompetisi
bersaing ya.
Ya,
Ya.
bersaing. Less able to compete with others. Ya.
Uh-huh.
And in local ya,
Ya, local.
because of that creates lack of ability, have work problems. I think it's kok mempengaruhi atau Miss?
Mempengaruhi.
Oh,
Influence.
Influence ya. Because of the lack of ability,
Yes.
influence in our income. I mean local income ya, for local
Yeah.
income. Yeah. And for the government ya, apa tadi?
Ya,
Yang
national
terakhir,
economy.
ya, national economy.
National economy.
Because of the less ability of the community, the fewer investor, who will invest in our country, I think it's quite low.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my point of view.
Okay. Yep.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. All right then. So we go to the third. Oh no, I have one more. Mr. Raffo, what about you, Mr. Raffo? How does dropping out of school affect personal, local, and national economy?
Of course, if someone get dropped out, it will affect on their personal economic, because today many corporation and many place to work, they demand the worker have the
A good background, a good ability,
kenapa? Sorry, Miss.
a good background or a good ability?
No, I mean ijazah. That is.
Oh, certificate.
Yeah, certificate of graduate from the school.
Uh-huh.
So if they get drop out, they
Drop out.
they get difficult to register to work in a corporation or any workplace. So they will be jobless and they don't have money. Yeah, it's bad for their economic. And sorry, Miss, personal, and then where again, Miss?
Local.
Local. For local, I think it's if almost all people that in the area is get dropped out, and they are all jobless. I think I mean, like they have they will have no contribution to to the the local, because they don't have ability that enough to maybe invent new new what is lapangan pekerjaan, Miss?
Oh, field job field.
To invent new job field or something like that. And
The last one.
for and the
Last one
last
is
one,
national economic.
yeah, it has many relation with the personnel and the locals, because of those who are bad. It will also affect the national, because the locals don't have good economics. The national also don't have good economics. Yeah, so I think it's all start from the personnel first.
Oh yeah, this is related each other.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you, Mr. Raffo. I go to the last question, everybody. How do the government prevent school dropout? I go to Mr. Fikri boleh. How do the governments prevent school dropout?
I think the first thing that really good job what Indonesian government do is to free all the high school expense in Indonesia. I think it's really good. It's already did by Indonesian. And number two, but I think this most specific and most difficult actually problem is the educated to the local. I think because I have seen many, for example, one of my small village that I tell in our early meeting that the village is the woman is forced to marry even before their finish high school, so it's need to educated. And for another case is I have read in the Africa that the dropout in high school is very high for women. It's because when a woman get high school, that means the girl is get menstrual phase, get menstrual, and because of that, because in Africa there is no sanitary for them, most of the girl is drop out because of the men's. After some company doing CSR, give the woman sanitary subtext sanitary pad sanitary pad. Supposedly in the 3 years, the high school graduate is very high for women. So that means the every village, every place has different problem that need to solve specifically. I think that's the most difficult, I think, especially in Indonesia.
So what is the solution for Indonesia?
Yeah, I think the solution is that government should doing this and find specific answer what's make the children drop out in high school. There's no specific no specific answer for this question. I think the most realistic answer that I can answer is to give education, especially to village leader, to RT, RW, and people like that. I think the best answer that I can give to you.
All right. Okay, then. How about you, Miss Lydia? How do the governments prevent school dropout?
It's from what the factor means, like economics or like social or like politics.
I should choose that. I
Yeah.
choose the social.
By the social, maybe the government and the school is the most important things is based on the family for the social, yeah, I think, miss. Yeah. So yeah, by the government, penyuluhan apa ya, miss? Penyuluhan.
Pengarahan.
Yeah, like pengarahan.
Pengarahan itu adalah guidance.
Okay, the governments can do some guidance to the students, like realistic jobs, and then what's the impact for finishing the schools, like they can have maybe a stable job, and also if they can finish the school, they cannot get bullied by other people, and then it's related to realistic job means like if they can finish their school, they can have value from their self in the, at the company. It's I think that's all, miss.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
I go to Miss Indah. Your turn. What should government do for the dropout, to prevent dropout?
Okay. This is important, yeah, quite important. The first is make parents aware of the importance of school. Number two is improving school facilities, and making standard facilities. And making standard facilities and infrastructure among all area itu apa nih, Miss?
Area is English.
Sorry, pardon?
Area is English.
Okay.
In bahasa is daerah.
Okay. And making standard facilities and infrastructure among all area. Number three is government should be provide quality teacher for remote area. This is highlight the problem, yeah, because
yes,
because for the quality teacher is not is quite different, yeah, between city and the area, especially for remote area. And also the four is monitor apa? BOS itu apa, Miss? Bantuan operasional sekolah? Social assistant?
Ya, social helper.
Oke. Itulah ya. Monitor sosial apa? Sorry.
Helper.
Susah, Miss, nyebutnya, Miss. Itu dah ya.
Helper.
Oke. Monitor sosial helper. monitor social helper so that they are properly monitored.
Yeah.
Ya,
When
ya,
you
untuk
when
dana
you
dana bos gitu.
yeah, especially for
Dana
that,
bos.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and number five is make cheap school, maksudnya sekolah yang murah gitu. I
Yeah.
can use a cheap, okay, make cheap schools
Yeah.
with facilities and infrastructure apa yang sama gitu maksudnya apa? Yang sama.
Same.
Ya,
Same
oke.
as.
Yeah, make cheap school with facilities and infrastructure same as in all area. Yeah, same as
Oh.
in all area. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I think it's quite different if we go to village. We also have so many students have drop out. I think the problem is. Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Okay then. Thank you so much, Miss Indah. Yeah, you are right. The drop out school that's happened very big in remote area and other places rather than in the city. Okay, that's good answer. I go to Miss Amalia. What about you, Miss Amalia? What is your opinion about government? What should government do to prevent school dropout?
To prevent a dropout, the government maybe can provide free of school.
Free of
school. Maybe the example PAUD for children. PAUD something like kindergarten, ya, Miss ya.
Yeah, PAUD is kindergarten.
Yeah, give subsidy something like in Jakarta maybe KJP, Kartu Jakarta Pintar, can use by book, uniform, and anything related with education. Then orang tua asuh maybe ya, Miss. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya orang tua asuh?
Orang tua asuh berarti orang tua angkat, foster parents.
Foster parents ya. Ya, foster parents give subsidi KJP and free schooling for level kindergarten, elementary, senior high school, maybe university also.
Yeah. But you know, Miss Amalia, if I'm not mistaken, some of my neighbor, but not here, in another place, they use a KJP for buying shoes, for buying handphone.
Huh?
But they don't.
Buy handphone.
They don't use that for, for the money that used to be, but they use for another thing that's not related to the point of the KJP 4. Yeah, that's happened in our society. So I think that's happened. So but I agree with you that about foster parents. Yeah, we call that in bahasa
parents.
is itu subsidi
Orang tua
silang,
asuh ya?
Ya, orang tua asuh,
Orang
foster.
tua asuh.
Foster itu artinya angkat, orang tua angkat. Yeah, Miss Lydia, what do you want to talk, please?
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt Miss Inta and also Miss Amalia. So like Miss Amalia said, the government should have a free payment school programs. I
Yes.
think that so as we know, the governments has do that, but as we know, is it still good or not? Because the government do the programs, but many people underestimate about this program, like Miss Sinta said about KJP, that they cannot use this wisely, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
BDKT is not it the same too. Like for the student who need it, they can get it, but the student from the maybe in the good economic condition, they can get the bidik misi. So I think, is it still good or not to have free payment school programs?
Aha. Okay. Okay, we still have 5 minutes. Anyone to add something, please? Related to this discussion about what what has Miss Lydia said just now. Bang bang, nobody. Okay, because nobody wants to argue, so I will ask you to ask one question. Please prepare one question for Miss Indah udah ya kemarin sama Mr. Rafko ya, itu dahsyat luar biasa. For Mr. Fikri deh. So Miss Lydia, Miss Indah, Miss Amalia, and Mr. Rafko. Mr. Rafko, I haven't asked you about number 3 question ya. Oh my God, I forgot. Hello, Mr. Rafko. Rafko?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Before I go with that session, I will ask you the last question. How do the governments prevent school dropout, in your opinion?
I think building many public schools and they give the student they make KJP programs and Dana Bos. I think that's all that the government do for prevent the school dropouts.
All right. That's it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So Mr. Fikri, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, I will ask some people for asking you one question. I start from Mr. Raffo. Mr. Raffo, would you like to give Mr. Fikri one question, please?
About what, miss?
A free, general question. It's up to you.
What is your scariest nightmare?
My scariest nightmare, Miss.
Yes, your nightmare.
My scariest nightmare that I'm scared yet that not already happened, right? Therefore, not yet happened or already happened.
Already happened.
Oh, that already happened is that I failed in my first skripsi. Skripsi apa, Mas? Skripsi.
Mini thesis.
I failed in my thesis for Sarjana S1. I failed in my first attempt.
Undergraduate.
Yes. I got depressed because of that, because when my people graduate, I should wait for 6 months before I can graduate to university. So that's one thing that make me a little bit depressed and sad and feel like I'm worthless.
Okay, I see. I'll go to Miss Indah. Miss Indah, one question, please.
Sorry, Miss. Okay, can you repeat question 4?
Yeah,
Oh,
I want
I mean the topic about.
about everything. You can about
Sorry, Miss. My signal is not apa? Ah,
good.
pardon, Miss. Your
Yeah.
voice is not clear.
So, okay. So the question is up to you, Miss Indah. Free?
I
General
think
question.
my bad signal.
Okay.
Unstable signal.
I will type in here. Yeah, please read. The question can be free. General question.
Okay,
Hello?
general question.
Aha.
General question.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of them.
Are you have Are you apa sih? Are you apa ya? Bentar. Are you have faith?
I'm not that wise.
My signal is unstable, Miss.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. By the way, Mr. Fikri, what is the question from Miss Indah? I cannot hear it clearly.
What I heard is that, do you have a wife?
No. I think no, that one.
Whip apa?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, faith. I just heard faith. By the way.
Oh,
What
faith.
about? Okay. Yeah. Do you have letter? We will ask her again. Yeah. Miss Amalia, one question, please.
Hi Fikri.
Hi.
Hi Teh. Hai Bu.
Hai, Teh. Miss
Yes, yes.
Amalia mau dipanggil Teteh atau Ibu?
Teteh also okay. I'm from
Oke,
Tasikmalaya.
Teteh aja ya. Kayaknya muda banget gitu ya. Yuk. Silahkan Teh.
Yeah, Fikri. Do you have ever feel disappointed to get something? Jadi gimana cara kamu untuk membangkitkan semangat?
Oke.
Yeah, what I did when I feel low, when I feel in bad
Down.
position is, what
Low bad.
I just remember what my parents did for me. So to keep my spirit, I need to make my parents food before if I have still chance, I want to make them food. So when I get low, I try my best to get the position that I get spirit again. I think that's
Good. Very good.
Yeah. Okay.
So, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Fikri.
Terakhir, we have Miss Lydia. Silakan.
All right. Hello, Mr. Fikri. Okay,
Hello,
my
Mi.
question is, what's your precious moment in your life?
Wow.
Yeah, my precious moment in my life is when I finally graduate in my college, because I see my parents and come to my ceremony, and they feel like they proud to me, even I'm a little bit late, but still that's not decrease in their eyes how proud they are because I finally can graduate. I think that's my precious moment that I will always remember.
Aha. I wait for the moment too.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay, good luck. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody. Thank you. You're welcome. So, everybody, I think that's it for today for our meeting. And thank you so much for everything for today. We meet again next week on Monday at 7 p.m. So, Mr. Fikri, can you study at 7 p.m.?
No, I think I should change to 7:30. I think I will change it.
7:30. Yeah, you're still at the office.
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Miss Lydia? Oh yeah, Miss Lydia already. Yeah. I have already
Yeah,
known
but
about.
yeah, but I want to ask you, Miss, if
Yes.
we change the class, the teacher is changed too or not?
Oh, I don't know for sure about that. Yeah, maybe yes, maybe no. But sometimes it will be combined to another class. So the student will be combined, and if there is no teacher, I can teach there. But if the class with another teacher, and you will join with that teacher, like that.
Ah, okay, I see. But anyway, I will stay at class at the 7 p.m.
All right
Okay.
then, 7 p.m.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right then. Miss Amalia already know, yeah. Mr. Raffo, how about you? 7? Can you do that?
I don't know, Miss. I will ask my mom. Maybe.
All right then. Yeah, you can ask your mom, yeah. Okay, Miss Amalia, 7:30. Okay.
Miss Sinta,
Yes. Yeah.
I already feel comfortable with teach you,
Oh yeah.
but but
Oh,
but on 7 p.m. I'm still on my way.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Okay.
worried, but I will
Okay.
try to. I will try to
be able at
another
7.
solution lah.
Oh yeah, another
to be able.
Oke, siap everybody. Oke, mudah-mudahan semuanya lancar ya. Kita
Ya.
ketemu lagi di hari Senin jam 9 tuh jadinya. Jam 7. 7 p.m.
Okay.
Thank you so much everybody. Bye.
Thank you,
bye.
Miss.
Bye.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye.